casa, porque nosotros hervir 1 hora, la cochinilla media hora. Lo importante es que nos representa, por ejemplo, el color, un patrón, nada de eso. Nosotras lo realizamos.
All right, so we went to a really good burger place yesterday called Hanz, and we're on our way back there now, and I'm gonna share the experience with you. If you're ever in Cusco, you should definitely check it out.
Josh recommended it. He liked it so much.
Right.
Is that on sorbet? Andrew, can you put it a few I'll use yeah. Just finished eating at Hanz, second night in a row. It's delicious as always.
Best restaurant in Cusco.
Best restaurant in Cusco by far. What is going on, everyone? It's Matt James Stannon's last day with us, and he's about to tell us his final joke.
Joshua?
You have a lot to make up for, my friend.
Cut.
Oh, hi. What's going on, everyone? We're here with Matthew James Stannon. It's his last day. He's unfortunately has to leave us early, and he's going to tell us one last joke. He's been slacking the past week and a half, so hopefully this joke will make up for about a week's worth of jokes that he missed. Matthew, floor is yours.
Thank you, Josh, for that kind introduction. Josh, how did the owls get away with stealing food from Machu Picchu?
How?
They were in cahoots.
Oh, that was a good one. I like that one. Yeah.
Matt Stanton signing off.
I hope you guys enjoyed Matt's final joke. He just has a couple last words that he wants to share with us.
Thanks, Josh. Just wanted to say it's been a phenomenal trip. I've had nothing but fun here in Peru with some of my bestest friends. And while I'm leaving to go back to study for the bar exam, I wish I could join you guys, but I wish you guys all the best. Have fun, stay safe, and I can't wait to see you when you get back.